Tap into your intuition to reach your next level business success. So I'm going to be bringing in the guides for you once again. Okay, everyone. So actually, the next level of success is your next version of your future self, correct? So let's really define what that means and how you can tap into intuition. What is that? What does intuition mean, right? Intuition means you're connected to source. It means that the veil between your mind and the source mind is very, very close, okay? So you're not just insisting on what you want, but you're allowing source to provide you the direction, provide you with the vision, provide you with the path. So this is very important to distinguish, which is what you want, and then allowing a greater vision to come into your life, right? Because what you want could actually be very, very limited, right? You could say, well, I only want this and this and this, but maybe there's an even bigger dream that you could be really tapping into. So this is number one, is distinguish your own desires and allowing the greater vision to come to you. So really tapping into your own intuition means you're allowing that greater vision to come into yourself instead of insisting on what you want. Like, because insisting means, here's my laundry list, universe, give me this. Give me A, give me B, give me C, give me D. And that's not really fun, because after the universe gives you what you want, you're going to want more. You can be like, okay, what else can I have? What else can I get, right? But if you tap into your intuition, which means allowing a greater vision to come into your life, then you're going to find it's going to be really fun, because it's like you're always going to have some really happy surprises along the way. And sometimes it's nice to be a little bit surprised rather than always have to meticulously control every single thing in your life. Because your vision could be so much more expansive and so much easier than the one that you currently have. Does that make sense? So you really want to think, okay, let that greater vision come, let that greater vision come, let that greater vision come. So if you're looking for success, whether that's business or that's personal, really, it doesn't really matter what it is, because success, okay, let's define that. How do you define the success? Traditional success is I have more money, I have more status, I have a bigger house, nicer car, and have children, I have a spouse. That's the definition of a normal person's success. Yeah. So, but success could be so much more, because success is actually about how you feel about it, right? Because you can have all the material things on the planet and still feel not very successful. While maybe where you're right now, you don't think that makes sense. You think, well, of course, once I have everything, I'm going to feel very successful. But that's not true. Okay, because success is actually you connecting to who you are, you knowing that you're living on purpose, you knowing that you're on track, you're on the path that you're supposed to be on. Does that make sense? So it's really more about alignment. Okay, alignment. So we hope that makes sense. It's about aligning to your true purpose. Now let's talk about what true purpose means. Okay, there is the purpose of what you think you want to create. Let's say you want to have create a homeless shelter. It's a nonprofit, and you help all these homeless people. So that's what you think you want to do. Okay, but maybe there's an even more expanded version of that. Maybe you're going to save all the starving children, okay, in the world. So that expanded version actually allows you to fill even more of your potential, because in a way, your potential in one lifetime is unlimited. It's kind of like you can just do as much as you want, or you can do as little as you want. Of course, you might as well do as much as you want, like as much as you can possibly do in this one lifetime. Or you can always say, I'm just going to drop dead and I'm going to do it the next lifetime. But it's more fun when you can do it this lifetime. So allow that true purpose, okay, to really come into you. And so as that true purpose comes into your life, you're like, wow, I thought I wanted this, but then I'm getting this bigger vision of a whole lot more. It's like before, maybe you just wanted one apple, but the universe wants to give you a whole basket of fruit, okay? So that's kind of the analogy that we will give you. We say, wouldn't you want to have the whole basket where you have all kinds of fruit instead of just this one apple that you're asking for? So when you're really thinking about your purpose, you say, okay, I kind of would like to have the apple, but I'm open to have so much more. Does that make sense? So we hope this is really clear, because you see, it's very, very easy to connect to your own intuition. It's just that sometimes you're too busy. You're just doing too many things, and your calendar's filled up. You're really tired. So you don't really have any space in your life. So take a 15-minute walk, take a 15-minute meditation, just go outside and smell the air and allow the sunshine, allow the wind to touch your face. And as you experience more of nature, you're going to find that you will be able to connect more to your intuition, because nature is closer, its vibration is closer to source, to what you call the universe. So allow yourself to get closer and closer and closer to the vibration of the universe, and you're going to find that the things that you want will come into your life with ease and grace and a lot of fun. Okay, and with that, we are complete for today. Okay, everybody, I hope that was a really clear reading for you and that you enjoy that. Once again, I think tapping into your intuition, it's just something that you can do naturally. Like, I tend to think easy thoughts and pleasant thoughts when I'm in the shower and when I'm just like cooking and doing things that's very pleasant. And you're going to find that ideas will come to you, solutions will come to you, and the opportunities come to you just sort of magically in a way. And I think the more you trust the process of miracle, trust the process of magic, you're going to have more of it. It's just that simple. Okay, so please comment below and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Ciao.